Hi students, this is my fifth video on trigonometric. Today topic is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles and supplementary angles. What is the meaning of complementary angles and supplementary angles? Say, in this right angle triangle, angle B is 90 degrees. Then what about angle A and angle C? Sum of these two angles is 90 degrees because sum of three angles 180 degrees. So one of the angles is 90 means angle A plus angle C 90 degrees. So angle A plus angle C 90 degrees. If angle A equal to theta, I am taking angle A theta. Theta plus angle C equal to 90 degrees. So what is angle C? 90 minus theta. So I am writing here 90 minus theta. This is theta. This is 90 minus theta. Now we will discuss about this complementary angles. First trigonometric ratios, we will take sin 90 minus theta. What is sin 90 minus theta? See, sin means opposite side by hypotenuse. AB by AC. For 90 minus theta, opposite is AB, hypotenuse is AC. AB by AC. So what is AB by AC with respect to theta? For theta, AB is adjacent, AC is hypotenuse. So it is cos theta. Adjacent to hypotenuse is nothing but cos theta. So sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Now we will see cos 90 minus theta. Come here, cos 90 minus theta adjacent by hypotenuse. So BC by AC. BC by AC. Now with respect to theta, what is BC by AC? It is opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, so sin theta. Opposite by hypotenuse means sin theta. So cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Now what is tan 90 minus theta? Tan 90 minus theta opposite by adjacent. AB by BC. AB by BC. Now with respect to theta, AB by BC adjacent by opposite, it is cot theta. So tan 90 minus theta we are getting cot theta. Now cot 90 minus theta. So this is cot 90 minus theta means this is 90 minus theta. So tan is opposite by adjacent but cot is adjacent by opposite. So BC by AB. BC by AB. Adjacent by opposite. See, with respect to theta, what is BC by AB? Opposite by adjacent. So it is tan theta. Opposite by adjacent means tan theta. So tan 90 minus theta we are getting cot. Cot 90 minus theta we are getting tan theta. Now what is secant 90 minus theta? Come here. Secant 90 minus theta. Cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. Secant means hypotenuse by adjacent. So AC by BC. AC by BC. Now with respect to theta, what is AC by BC? Hypotenuse by opposite. Opposite by hypotenuse sin theta. So hypotenuse by opposite is cosecant theta. It's reciprocal cosecant theta. Now what about cosecant 90 minus theta is what? Cosecant 90 minus theta. It is reciprocal of sin theta. Sin means opposite by hypotenuse. So cosecant means hypotenuse by opposite. So AC by AB. AC by AB. Now with respect to theta, what is AC by AB? AC, it is hypotenuse, AB is adjacent. Adjacent by hypotenuse is cos. So hypotenuse by adjacent is secant theta. So secant is changed as cosecant, cosecant changed as secant. So these two are complementary angles. Sin change as cos, cos will change as sin. Now tan and cot. So tan change as cot, cot will change as tan. Now secant change as cosecant, cosecant will change as secant. These two are complementary angles. So that's why sin 0 in trigonometric table we are getting cos 90. Cos 0 we are getting sin 90 like that. Tan 0 cot 90, cot 0 table we are writing in reverse order. These two are complementary angles. Okay? Right. Students, now I am going to fill total complement and supplementary angles in this table. If you follow this table, this is useful not only in 10th class, in the future, PUC, intermediate, okay, diploma, and for any competitive exams also, this table is very helpful. Say, this plane I divided into 4 quadrants. Okay, this is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, this is 3rd quadrant, and this one is 4th quadrant. Okay, first quadrant 0 to 90 degrees, second 9 to 180 degrees, third one 180 to 270, fourth quadrant 270 to 360 degrees. Here, in this quadrant, first quadrant, angles 90 or less than 90, 0 to 90, okay, means 90 minus theta lies in the first quadrant, 0 to 90, okay, 90 minus theta. 90 plus theta, it will be in the second quadrant, okay. 180 minus theta also in second quadrant. 180 plus theta in third quadrant. 270 minus theta also third quadrant. If angle is 270 plus theta, it is fourth quadrant. 360 minus also fourth quadrant. Once again 360 plus means you will go to first quadrant. Minus theta means you will come back. Okay, fourth quadrant, like that. So always actually we will take theta in anti-clockwise direction will be positive. If you move clockwise direction, angle will be negative. Okay. Now we will discuss about first quadrant. Already just now I explained sin 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta. All will fall in first quadrant. Sin 90 minus theta, we know it is cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta, sin theta. Tan 90 minus cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta, tan theta. Okay. Sin will change as cos, cos will change as sin. Tan will be cot, cot will be tan. Next, secant. Secant will change as cosecant theta. Cosecant will change as secant theta. I explained already. Similarly, for 90, sin changing cos. Like that, 270 degrees also sin will change as cos, cos will change as sin. Okay. Now for 180 degrees and 360 degrees, sin will be sin, cos will be cos. Tan will be tan, cot will be cot. Like that. And one more thing. Why we are telling here all means, in this quadrant, all are positive. Okay. All are positive means, that's why here we entered all are positive values. Now what about second quadrant? See, for remembering purpose, all silver tea cups I entered like that. It means what? All are positive. See here, first letter is yes. It means sine and cosecant positive here. Remaining 4 negative. In this T, first letter is T. It means tan and cot positive and other items negative. In this cups, first letter is C, so cos and secant are positive, other 4 negative. So for remembering purpose, we are writing all silver tea cups. With the first letter, you can remember that which is positive and which is negative. Somebody will remember like this, all students take coffee, like that also, okay. Students means first letter as sine, cosecant, okay. All students take tea, tan and cot. Coffee, first letter is C, cos and secant. You can remember in any way. Now I am going to complete 90 plus theta. In this second quadrant, sine and cosecant value is positive. Sine and also cosecant. These two positive. And also what I told, sine will change as cos, cos will be sine. So sine will change as cos. Remaining items negative. Cos will be sine theta. Tan will be cot, negative. Cot will be tan, negative. Now secant also cosecant, negative. Now cosecant as secant, positive. So only sine and cosecant values positive in second quadrant. Now what about 180 minus theta? It is also second quadrant. It means once again here sine and also cosecant positive. Remaining 4 negative. And 180 and 360 I told you sine, sine, cos, cos as it is we are right. So remaining 4 you can write as negative symbol. Sine, sine only. Sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta. Next, cosecant theta. Like that. Now what about 180 plus? It is third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan and cot positive. See, tan and cot, these two positive, remaining 4 negative. And 180 means as it is sine, sine, cos, cos. Now we can complete sine, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant, like that. Okay. Now 270 minus, it is also in third quadrant. In third quadrant once again, tan and cot positive, remaining 4 negative. So 270 means change sine as cos, cos as sine. Sine will change as cos, cos will change as sine. Tan will be cot theta, cot will be tan theta. Secant, it is cosecant, then cosecant will be secant, like that. Now 270 plus, it is fourth quadrant. 270 plus means you entered into fourth quadrant. In this fourth quadrant, cos and secant positive. See, cos positive, and also secant positive. Remaining for negative symbols. 270. Once again 270 means sine. Sine will be cos will be sine. So sine will be cos theta, cos will be sin theta, tan will be cot changes tan theta, secant changes cosecant theta, cosecant changes secant theta. Finish. Now 360 minus. Same fourth quadrant only. Here you have to remember 360 means sin, cos. And also one more thing, cos and secant positive. Okay, cos item and also secant item positive, remaining for negative. Okay, so say sin 360 minus theta, sin theta, but minus symbol. Cos 360 minus cos theta, tan 360 minus theta, minus tan theta. Like that, this is minus cot theta. This one is plus secant theta and minus cosecant theta. Now 360 plus, you entered into first quadrant. Okay, in this first quadrant, we know all are positive symbols only. So sin only, 360 means, I told you already, sin, cos like that. So here you can write as sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, next cot theta, secant theta, and also cosecant theta. So as this we have to enter 360 plus, it means first quadrant. Next minus theta, sin minus theta. Minus theta means here fourth quadrant, cos and secant only positive. So cos and secant positive. Sin only, but minus symbol. Cos plus cos theta, tan minus tan theta. It means sin of minus theta minus sin theta, cos of minus theta cos theta, tan of minus theta minus tan theta, cot of minus theta minus cot theta. Next secant will be plus symbol. Okay, plus secant theta. Cosecant will be minus cosecant theta. So remember, when minus theta means cos and secant only positive symbols, because see, minus theta means you are coming into fourth quadrant. Here cos and secant only positive. Okay, see, like this we can fill all these things. So right, in the next video on this table we will solve some problems. If you like my videos, please share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.